Hi guys, it's me and Callie again.
Yep.
Back with another Vase DIY.
Yep.
So I got all this stuff at Dollar Tree, the pop dots, the vase, and I just stuck the dots everywhere.
Yeah, and I said they look like pimples.
She said they look like pimples, and I should spray paint it. What color?
Red, and put Peppa Pig's face.
Yes, that would have been too funny.
And then put her hand on her face to act like she's touching them and she's pulling them off.
Oh my god. So the only thing I did know is that I didn't want the dots super close. I didn't have like a certain pattern, and I knew I didn't want them like going straight across, so I kind of zigzagged them a little bit. And I didn't know this at first, but the dots are double-sided, so there's a little piece of paper you pull off so that both sides stick. So you'll see I'm pulling those little dots off, the little papers off. That way, once I spray painted, the little paper wouldn't fall off and show the white dots again. So if I touched it and it didn't stick to my hand, I knew that the paper was still on there. So this is just me looking to see if I need any more dots and making sure I got all the paper off.
Yeah.
I thought it was good to go.
Yeah, and she makes faces.
I do make vases. There's Callie's Barbie doll feet.
Yep.
So we took it outside, and I ended up spray painting it this flat black. I thought it came out super cute. So that's it right there with the flowers. Hope you guys enjoy.
Yep.
Please like and subscribe.